Samsung just repeated that action. We leaked our own product move, you know. However, at this point, it doesn't even feel like an accident because real pictures of their upcoming foldables are hidden behind a new UI build. Real gadget pictures, not concept art or renders. This is much in line with all of the rumors we've been hearing about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This is when things start to get interesting. Two smartphones were mentioned in UI 1.9, according to those who dug through the files, thanks to Android Authority. The Q8 model is anticipated to be the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8. Because it alludes to this new wide version, the other one, H8, is the one that is being discussed by everyone. We're also seeing the back of it for the first time. Visually, it's exactly what the leak implied. This fold shape appears larger and shorter than the tall, narrow one we're used to. It was almost as if someone had stretched it sideways. On paper, it's a minor adjustment, but in practice, it might drastically alter how the phone feels. It's interesting to note that this wide model appears to have a simpler camera configuration. It has a dual camera setup, which is comparable to what we've seen on gadgets like the Samsung Galaxy S25e. Therefore, it appears that Samsung may be marketing this as a rather distinct type of fold. Not only is it larger, but it may also be more useful or popular. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 8, meanwhile. Yes, that one appears to be quite familiar. Rather than a complete redesign, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is essentially a refined version with the same tall appearance and triple camera arrangement. However, improvements may be taking place beneath the hood. A larger 5000 mAh battery is reportedly something 45-watt fast charging, which Fold users have been waiting for ages, is finally beginning to seem like Samsung is catching up in a market where other companies have been far ahead. This is not happening in a vacuum, so take a moment to zoom out. It appears that Samsung is responding to the direction of the market with this broad, foldable concept. Huawei has previously entered the market with the Huawei Pora X Max, a broad foldable. The hitch is that it's primarily restricted to China, so Samsung might still wind up defining this category for a worldwide audience.